Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, in the garden as usual, doing some cleaning up. The grass is growing so rapidly, but I just got to put in the work, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm basically going and do some harvest at this time. So we have some squash here. But I'm gonna harvest this squash. I don't wanna wait for them that they get too old. So I'm gonna pick them now. This is another one again. I mean, this squash been doing it pretty well, man. This is my second harvest going on in this area right here. Okay, this one, I'm gonna leave it. This one here, I'm gonna pick this one right here. Okay. Okay. So that's it for now with the squash. Alright. No, I have one more here to harvest. I have a next one right here. Alright guys, alright. Well, I also see a few cucumber, which I'm also gonna harvest. Okay, this cucumber is definitely ready, guys. Bottleneck. This is the next cucumber right here. And this is the next cucumber. So yes guys, so we're going to check out the cabbage now. Let's go and see what the cabbage have for us. You see, cabbage, I enjoy cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy plant as well that the worms love to feed from. But today I'm going to harvest a few cabbage because I think it's time. So let's look through this cabbage, right? This is a huge cabbage. I don't know if you guys can see, this is a huge cabbage. This cabbage look just like one from where you could actually go and buy from the, them places. Look at the size of this. Organic grown, natural grown, no chemical. This one as well. This is another cabbage here. We also have more cabbage here. You see the worm was messing with them, but the birds come and clean them up. This one again, they're a little soft, so I really don't want to. You see, look this one. Pretty nice size. This one again. Pretty nice size. This one again. Pretty nice size. This one again. Pretty nice size. That one, pretty nice size cabbage. You also have another one right here, which I'm gonna leave for another week. Okay, we also have cornflower where we have the bees. So that's awesome. Let's go over here and see what's going on over here. Okay. This one, I'm gonna pick this one. Good. This one, I'm gonna pick this one. I'm gonna pull up the whole plant. You see guys, look the size of this plant. You see? Cabbage right here, guys. So this, what I'll do, I'll throw this in my compost pile. Okay. Look at this pepper. This pepper is massive. Pretty big pepper. But I'm gonna leave it for right. Here we have another cabbage. Still soft, so I'm gonna leave that one. And look at this cabbage. Look at this pepper. This thing is massive, y'all. Look at this thing. You see this thing? Yes. So yes, guys. Thank you guys again Thank you guys again for everything. Thanks for all your support. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. This is dinner I get from my garden. I hope this video can motivate somebody today to start growing something. Peace, love, and blessing to all.